Right, I think I've done as much as I can on the window. I'm not gonna get as much money as I've hoped, because I just couldn't get this bloody mattiness out. Maybe someone can do a better job, but I doubt it. So now we're gonna get to cleaning. So we got this special stuff from when we were rich. Well, we were never rich, unfortunately. That's what the feds bastards think. So give it a good old squirt. You know what a good old squirt is by now, I'm sure.
This video, I'm going to give you a quick guide to how to make a girl squirt. This video is just going to be the essentials of how to make a girl squirt. For the sake of keeping this video short, I'm going to assume that you know what squirting is already and jump straight into how to make it happen. For a good old-fashioned squirting session, you will need a towel, lube, some massage oil, and a glass of water.
So let it soak in while you're gonna be scrubbing it. So don't be tight with your spray. Don't step in all your shit. Okay, it's gonna go foamy on your ass, which is good. It means the magic is happening. I wonder if it's gonna work on here. Gonna try everything we can on here, but no fucking chance. So I'm not gonna bore you with the with all the wiping down. Do as much rubbing as your elbow can possibly handle. Then, well, I'll show you then. Spray it with water basically, and use a clean microfiber, because this one's getting, you know, dirty obviously. Yeah, just do that for a bit. You know what, guys, fuck the expensive shit, as I always say. This for £1 does exactly the same job, even better I think. So I'm just gonna use that. We've been scrubbing for about 15 minutes, and already I think you can see the difference. Well, hopefully you can see the difference. Fucking hell, see this hurricane? This is what I'm talking about, guys. I think someone's after us. Wee-hee! Damn! In it, Bob. The Babylon is attacking. Get away, Babylon. Get away. Anyway, see, they're putting us off the track. They're even controlling the weather these days. So, as you can see, the roof is beginning to look a lot better. I mean, it was a very nice roof to begin with anyway, except for this fading window. But with a bit of upholstery cleaner, not even gonna say that Maguire's one, rip-off, but for £1, you know, it's coming up nicely. So then, get yourself a bit of water, cover it again, and then you're gonna give it a wash with a clean microfiber again, to get all the other dirt that's in there that came out of its pores when you're wiping it, to get it off. I mean, ideally you want to jet wash it really, but when jet washing there is a risk of ripping, for example, this, if it's a bit vulnerable, or what's another risk? Well, another thing is you can't really do it in this fucking shitty weather, because we're in England, baby. So that's the thing we have to face with. Geez, working in fucking tornadoes and hurricanes and freezing temperatures and rain and all that shit. But all for love, baby. All for you, and all for love, and all for the job. So we've done all the spraying here. Then we get our clean microfiber. and keep on wiping it. I mean, it will carry on getting soapy because now the soap will be in there, but that's good because it's kind of designed to stay in there to protect it. So it's fine. I mean, even I've done this to my other roof about a year ago, and even now when I wash it like this, all the soap is coming up, so that's all good. You know, luckily it all fades and it stays nice and black. Well, not fades, I mean disappears. Your roof doesn't fade, your roof becomes glossy, baby. I think I might give it a bit of wax as well. No, actually I'm gonna leave it, fuck that. So yeah, just carry on giving it a wipe really, what can I say? Okay, the next challenge is to do the inside. Well, the next challenge is actually to fucking get in there. Oh man, I really want to have a nice workshop. Can you fucking subscribe already? So I don't have to put up with this shit. Oh god. Fuck me, that's cozy in here. Well, what can I say? Just shit probably, can you? So all this mold we've got here. Also this will be connected back where it should be. Then this needs to be repaired. Yeah, this needs to be repaired a bit. Okay, let's get to it. Instant valet. It doesn't need much. Oh, we don't have much because we're fucking peasants. That's the problem, guys. When government had you up the batty, you have to be sitting like this on your skint fucking batty and spraying it up your nose like this just to get some energy. No, I'm only joking, kids. Uncle Corleone is fucking talking shit. Well, see, we've run out. That's the punishment from the gods. So yeah, keep on scrubbing. Keep on scrubbing till the sun comes up, motherfuckers. Because this is only how you make money and how you achieve success. By working hard and not sitting on your anus moaning. And I've just remembered, I've got some other upholstery cleaner which I'm gonna use. Because I'm run out of this one. Yeah, when you're doing it in half dark conditions, like poor me, can't really see fuck all really, so you need a torch to make sure all the mold is getting wiped off.